Guys, Jake Nicolle here with eXp Realty. We're at our latest listing. We're here in Beamsville. We're in the heart of wine country. We are at 4531 Garden Gate Terrace. This is an amazing, as you can see, semi-detached, 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, tons of updates. Wait until you see the kitchen. Most importantly, wait until you see the oversized backyard. Look at the drone shot, huge backyard. You're gonna love it, and I can't wait to take you guys through this tour. Welcome home. Now, the moment we step inside 45-1 Garden Gate, the first thing you're gonna feel like is, this is what home should feel like. Step through the door. I love that they've got the screen door on here. We're greeted with a hallway closet for you to right away drop your coat, kick off your shoes, and then from the moment you step inside, come see this. This is one of my favorite parts, and you're greeted with this lovely double ceiling height wainscoted wall that looks fantastic. We've got this soft sconce light at the top that just makes this home feel so cozy. And we step from some really nice tile onto hardwood, and then we were greeted right away with our garage door. Okay, nice big single car garage, shelving up top. Come see it in person. And we step into this powder room that is so lovely at how it's redesigned. Really elegant flooring with the herringbone tile. We've got this lovely porcelain vanity here with this soft green, black hardware, black faucet, and the details. This feels so modern and contemporary. It feels fantastic. It's a really beautiful powder. Now, as we step over here, we've got our dining space to my left, and then we enter into our living room. And this is what's so amazing about this property, is we're looking through into this backyard that I can't wait for you guys to see at the end of this tour. But this window is just a giant window. You can see we've actually got the stickers on because all the windows are brand new in the home. And then we enter into our kitchen. We have this timeless looking kitchen. I think it's really beautiful with the veining in the countertop. There's all these little details, all these little crystals and everything that make this countertop look so fantastic. And I really enjoy that they've gone with this modern, updated gray on the lower level, and they're doing the two-tone thing with the kitchen with the white up top, nice hardware updates, these little brass pieces of hardware. They're fantastic. Really nice appliances with the gas range as well. And then we enter over into our perfect space for us to step outside, be entertaining in the backyard, entertaining here. This is really an entertaining family home because you've got a ton of outdoor space and a really good open concept main floor. Now, it's time for us to go check out the upper level. Let's go take a peek. Now, as we enter the second level, we're greeted immediately with the primary. I like to tease the primary for the end, but this one's too lovely and it's right here, so we're gonna check it out. Right away, here's what we're looking at. We've got a giant window, another large window on the other side, tons of light in here. We could have the lights off and you wouldn't know the difference. And if you come over here, we've actually got a nice big walk-in, okay? So walk-in, perfect space for you to go in. You can see this is very much a hers closet. She's stolen all the space there, which is great. And then through that window outside, you'll notice in the drone shot, we can actually see the Niagara Escarpment, which is amazing. It's there in the background. And then look at how picture perfect this is. Again, very modern and contemporary with this gray color, big fan. And then we've got this private ensuite, okay? This is where you can put your touches, maybe do some updates on the vanity, but it's already painted in here, looks fantastic. We've got a nice shower tub combo, and it's a must-have for you to have that ensuite off the primary. And then from here, we're gonna flow right over into the shared space up here where we got the linen closet, we've got the other bathroom, and we got our 2 bedrooms, okay? So bedroom number 1, this is currently set up as an office space, which is again, nice to have because we got tons of light coming in. We do have the closet over here as well. Okay, so we got a nice closet, lots of space there. This is fantastic for you to have as your office space because if I was in here, I would actually face face the desk this way, I would look out into that beautiful backyard. And I know that's a little unorthodox, but this sleeping willow, I can't wait for you guys to see the backyard. It's a beautiful view back there. And again, from over here, you get views of the Niagara Escarpment, okay? Now, bedroom number 2, as we step this way, how quaint, cute, and adorable are these pink walls for these 2 twin babies that are in this home. It's amazing. I say babies, but like, I don't know, these are like, what are these called? Like toddlers at this point? Yeah, toddlers. There you go. Thanks, Sarah. Appreciate it. And then we've got a big, oversized double door closet right here as well, which is fantastic to have. And it is filled with giraffes and dinosaurs and all kinds of toddler things that you're gonna love. But we're not done yet. We have a fully finished basement to check out. And before we go there, look at this. This is our shared bathroom. Again, really nice, single vanity, shower tub combo, fantastic space, toilet tucked back there and hidden. Let's go see the fully finished basement now. Come follow me. Now, as we enter this lower level, we have really nice flooring all throughout. This even carries into the utility room, which I'm a big fan of. This little door right here, that just goes to our sump, so we don't gotta worry about looking at that. All of the space that you see underneath here is all storage leading from this door, okay, which is great to have. And then I'm gonna show you guys the utility room right away first, because as you step into the utility room, you can see we've got our washer dryer down here, we've got our sink here, we have like a 2-year-old water heater rental, okay, and a 2-year-old furnace. The home is all new in terms of those other important updates, all right? And I am pumped that they finished this basement space because they did these details like rounded corners. It just feels like a really well finished basement. Pot lights all throughout. And how nice is this to have this big space for you to entertain for, again, the Friday afternoon that it is right now. You can sit down and enjoy yourself, have maybe a projector down here. They've got a nice big TV, really nice sitting space. And then they've also done a great job of doubling this as an office where you can be down here, have this office space, and enjoy your basement away from maybe the chaos of the 2 toddlers that are making tons of noise, and you wanna hide out down here. The other thing is, on a summer day like today, it's so cool and airy down here. It's lovely, nice, dry, awesome basement, flooring everywhere, fantastic. Time for us to go see the backyard. Let's go check it out. All right, now in conclusion of today's tour at 4531 Garden Gate Terrace, we are in my favorite area. Look at this, we're in the backyard. Now before I show you how big this backyard is, how lovely is this? Just imagine, it's a summer evening like today. It's a Friday as we're filming this. Just imagine this is how your Friday ends from work. You step through those beautiful sliding doors, you're entertaining here, maybe you're grilling right there in the backyard. You've got this amazing space, and follow me this way. Look at how big this backyard is. You've got this amazing, I believe this is a sleeping willow, oversized, phenomenal. We got a maple tree over there. We've got another tree here. Tons of privacy in this backyard. From here, I'm looking at nobody. I can see one sliding door over there. That's it. There's some windows. They're all hidden from all these other homes. And then the other homes surrounding the property are all pretty much 1 stories on this side. So tons of privacy. And look at the size of this backyard. Tell me this is the perfect swing set that I may break if I sit in for kids. It's awesome. And here's what I want you guys to do, okay? You've seen the property, you've seen how beautiful it is. This home, here's my prediction. Less than 2 weeks, it's gonna be sold on the market. So pick up the phone if you're watching this, give me a call right now, 289-216-6852. And my name's Jake Nicolle. I can't wait to take you through this. Now, one other little thing we're gonna go take a look at before we rip up. Come follow me. We wanted to show you guys this beautiful space, the side part stepping through the home, because the last detail of this home that's tons of fun is one time a year, for 1 week of the year, these flowers are in bloom and they're absolutely beautiful, and it's magic because we're here today. Today's the day they're in bloom. So pick up the phone, drop me a text, give me a call, or just text me even, 289-216-6852. Text me Garden Gate in Beamsville. I can't wait to come show you guys this home. My name's Jake Nicolle. We're here to help you find your dream home. If it's not this one, we'll help you find it in the next one, but I have a feeling it just might be this one. Cheers, guys.